And Venus says, I had to turn out 2 jobs. I need training for loan signing. See, we can't be turning down work, girl. 1 job, 1 class. Take the class with Alexis on Sunday. And if you need, first you might need Notarize Like a Pro with me and then loan signing. Because you can take the loan signing class with Alexis, but you don't know how to notarize. See, she talks strictly about loan signing from beginning to end. The moment you get the call, how you receive the call, we go over the email part. If it's by text, we go over what to do at the signing table, how to explain the documents, what to do after the signing. So you need, it's like a mock signing in a sense, which is a little deeper training because you do need to know something. You cannot just fake this, guys. And I know it's a lot of slack out there about training and everybody trying to take your money, but either you're going to self-teach yourself correctly or you're going to have to invest a little bit. And I would highly recommend you do it with us because we're not trying to get you to sign up for the rest of your life monthly. We're not. I'm going to give you what you need. We all do so you can fly. We're not looking for perpetual students. There are thousands of people, millions of notaries. So we're not trying to make all of our money on you. We actually all work, as you can see. And yeah, so you got to be selective, but you have to be trained. Don't let nobody tell you, oh, just read your state handbook. Oh, you can just do this. Oh. It's not. You have to be trained. You have to. And I don't want you turning down work like that. Shelly says, I'm currently unemployed, so I don't have the funds for training. How can I start making money on GNW? You just need to wait, Shelly. At this time, if you can't take training, and that's okay, I would recommend you start reading your state handbook cover to cover. Okay, you can self-teach yourself. Write out. Look at my videos. Just start there too, because I have 600 videos. But do not just start doing general notary work and you don't know what you're doing. I'm sorry. I will never tell you to do that. I cannot, in good faith. I had somebody kind of try to talk about me in a group one day. She called me for advice and I was like, you really need some training. So she said, well, I think I can get through this. I said, okay. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I am not. I can barely run Kimmi, okay? So I told her, I said, oh, Venus had an idea for you. She said, why don't you do some DoorDash to get you some money for your training? And I'm not even going to tell you to do that. That's a good idea, though. But you have to do what's best for you. In the meantime, self-teach. But, so this girl calls me, and she's like, hey, I got this job. And she's basically asking me how to do the whole signing. And I'm like, I don't think you're ready. I said, I really don't recommend you go out there. So she said it was somebody, a friend or whatever. And a friend of a friend or something. So I was like, well, if they don't mind her trying and being a guinea pig for her to go out there and practice her loan sign and go about it. So she goes out there, she does it. It went well. So she got into Facebook and she was like, somebody was trying to tell me I couldn't do it. Well, I'm glad it went well that time. I'm glad it went well. You got fake doctors out there that's studied and they might get through one surgery or one fake anything. But that's not how you want to run your business. I'm sorry. And you will never hear me say that's okay. And I'm not trying to kill dreams, but either you're going to self-teach or you're going to pay me, you're going to pay somebody. Those are your options. You have to have training. Read your book, do it yourself. I did the work. Now, for actual notary training, I self-taught and I did do the NNA training. But if I didn't already know about being a notary, see, I was already a notary off and on for 20 years because I used to work at 2 different banks and I was a notary. I just didn't know you can make money being a notary. See, that's the secret. Everybody don't talk about that part. All right. Let me see. Venus says, let me clarify. I bought the book Start Your Notary Business in Texas in specialty, and I'm very confident now. Well, very good. Very good. I'm happy for you. So then what's the disconnect between, so neither one of those books actually teach you how to properly notarize. So what's the disconnect? I talk about it a little bit in the specialty book. So why couldn't you take the job? Let me know. Oh, you need the loan signing course. I'm reading it now. I want the loan signing course and then I can start. Okay, then just take the loan signing course with Alexis. That's on Sunday. And she has other dates too. I forgot the other dates. Just check out the video. Check out the website. Sorry. Because I'm trying to read this video. I'm reading the comments and trying to tell you that. So yeah, but they were having Venus says if you do need some money, DoorDash is a quick way to get money for everybody. Peaches said Kimmi's videos are very helpful and they're free. Yep. Check them out. Thanks, Venus. DoorDash, Instacart pay bills. They sure do. Venus says it was loan signings that I turned down. Which course can I pay? Yeah, take the loan signing course from Alexis, either the self-paced or her live training, either one, because she teaches both of them equally. We don't not give you something in the self-paced that we give you in the live. Of course, live is always different because you can talk about, a little bit more. So they're asking where you are, Shelly. Well, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Again, this was 19 ways today that you can make money as a notary. Okay, for all your notary training and your needs, check us out, notaryeducatorsllc.com. I also have all the self-paced courses on sale for 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2024, WIN 2024. Okay, so we will see you guys on Monday night. Monday night, we are going to talk about all things taxes. Like, get your pen and paper ready so you can know what things you need so you don't forget on your taxes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do that tax video. And then I got one more that I promised. Okay, I wish I could tell you who told me. I got one more, but we'll do that one next week. But we'll do taxes on Monday. So I'm just going to go down a list of things I don't want you to forget on your taxes, okay? Take your time. Have a great weekend. As always, it's my pleasure, and I will see you guys soon, okay? Bye.